Hi guys, it's Maureen. So you're gonna excuse my voice because I still have a cough. Oh my god. So anyway, I went Kumunda and I decided to cook. So normally I didn't have a lot of money, so I had like 3,000 I think. So I just went to the market and bought what I could. Yeah, so this is the cheapest that I could find. And then I went back to my garden. I got some onions. Thank God that I have some of the things at the farm, so it's easier for me to cook some nice meals. Yeah, so I also found some carrots that are like growing, so I was very excited at this point. I was like, I'll just whip up something. I started looking for potatoes, and thankfully I found some. Find some here, but yeah, I found some. See, I found a number of potatoes. So I was just like, let me just make like a vegetable stew. Like, I'll just wing it, I'll just cook everything together, but it's going to be yummy and nice. So yeah, I started always moto, washed the potatoes, and then I started cooking the potatoes. Put in some water. I didn't peel them. They were okay, it was going to take me ages, so I just didn't peel them. But it's also healthy to eat the potato covers. Yeah, and then I washed my tomatoes and everything. We got to stay clean. Yeah, so this was them when they were washed. And then I cut up everything and I put some sugar, something that I learned from Asui, for those that have seen her vegetable stew. Yeah, so I put in some sugar that I bought, and then I went to check on the potatoes. They were done, so I took them out because there ain't a lot of pots. Kumunda, I think I need to buy more pots and they're not very big, so this is the biggest pot there. Then I started frying my cabbage, so I put in my oil and then I put in the cabbage. Yeah, I just cut it like this, just chopped it off. And then put on my onions, I put my carrots. It's looking nice already, right? I put my garlic leaves, and then it was just time to just stir everything. As I've said, the pot is so small, I need a bigger pot. And then I did put in some salt, then I put in some raja. So this is the raja that I got. It's like 100 kwaja kapak at the shop. And then I also put in some paprika. At this point I think it was looking nice already. Yeah, so it was just time to just mix up everything, and when everything was mixed, you then have to come in and put in your tomatoes. Yeah, so these are the tomatoes that I chopped in area and put some sugar in. Yeah, so we're just gonna put them in. At this point I was like wishing for a bigger pot, honestly, because I couldn't mix up everything. So I think I need like a big saflia or something, so that if I'm cooking kumunda, it should be enough for everyone, because there are like a number of people. Yeah, so I like to feed everyone. Yeah, so as you can see, there's some water coming out the cabbage, so it's cooking. And then I put back my potatoes because they weren't fully cooked. And yeah, again, my pot is too small, I know, but we had to like make it work. At this point the people were just looking at me going, what is this woman making? But I told them, you know what, whatever it is, it's going to be edible and it's going to be yummy. Just put things together and we make something yummy. Yeah, so this was the meal when it was done. My camera wasn't very clear at this point, but guys, it was a very yummy dish. We had it with sima, and the guys kumunda, everybody was just like, ish, this cabbage is like nyama and stuff. So they loved it, they enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, bye bye.